Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video session, we are going to learn how to write the code to upload file and downloading using ASP.NET Core Web API. In one of my previous session, I already created a video how to upload file using ASP.NET Core Web API. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notifications. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So we are going to create a web API project using Visual Studio 2019, a .NET Core Web API. So I'm selecting .NET Core Web API. File upload and download, I'm giving the project name. So I'm going to create this project on .NET Core 5.0. I don't need HTTPS or upon an API support. Let's create this application. So our .NET Core Web API application is created. Run this application. So see our basic template is perfect or not. It will take few seconds as we are running for first time. Guys, to create a meaningful video, it requires tons of effort. If you like my video, please give me a like. It's really encouraged me a lot. So you can see our application is created and the default controller default API weather forecast is called with the record. Right? Now we are going to add our own controller to do the file upload and download. So I am going to add my own controller here. Let's stop the application. So add this controller here. So I'm going to add a web API controller. Okay. I'm giving the controller name as test file. Okay, I now need this routing now. Okay. We are going to need the namespaces like system.io, .threading or ASP.NET Core static files. Next, we are going to create a method to save the file inside our application. So I added this private async task which will return a string, which will return a file name actually, and it will accept the ifrom file. Okay, it's the interface of Microsoft ASP.NET Core .static file namespace. Okay, then it will store inside my upload and files. So I need to create one folder inside my web API directory. So add folder here, upload, and one more folder I'm going to create here inside new more folder files. So it will be uploaded into file by creating a new name with this current date and time. Okay. Next, create the API to call this method and to upload the files. So in this case, so I added one API here, route is save files, and I'm going to post the file and it will write to the right file. Right file is our existing created method, which is this one, and it will return the file name to us. Let's run the application and see the file is uploading or not. So our application got run. Let's copy this URL to Postman, and it is a post method. So our API name is save file, right? So in the body section, I'm going to add here a file here, and the name is parameter name is file. So here I'm going to choose the file. Let's say I'm uploading anything from my desktops. Okay, now send it. So you can see it's generating a auto-generated number. As we know, here we are creating date and time.now.txt and the file format SQL. So you can see here I'm going to upload one more file, which is an image file actually. A PNG file. So you can see so something got stopped, I think. Okay, I unfortunately closed the browser. So let's run again. Okay, so you can see it is got uploaded. Now go to our application inside file. So you can see two times I upload PNG file and one SQL file. Now we will write the code to download the file. So how we can do for this? So for this, let's add a API which is download file, and it will send the name of the it is a get method, and we will send the name of the file which is we return here in the Postman. Then it will get the file from the uploads file path, and then it will return to the file content type. Okay, let's run the application and see this download file is working or not. So we already got our file name here. So we will post this file name to one more API. Just now we have added, it's a get method. So the API name is download file. So right, and the parameter is name of file, which is this one, and now I'm going to give this file name, right, and send. So you can see this file is coming. Let's see, I'm uploading one more file, which is this one. So we got one more file, and let's add this one to this file name and send. So you can see file is getting downloading. So in this way we can upload our file and we can download our file. Guys, I will give the link for download the source code in the comment box. You can download it there from it. Guys, forgive about the background noise, really sorry for that. And so in our coming session, we are going to see some more interesting topic on web API.NET Core. If you like this video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.